Hi folks, thanks for following along with the Royal Enfield Interceptor project so far. Today's the day we're going to take it for its first road ride. I did run it up and down the road, which is about a block and a half, and it ran okay. So we're going to take it out on an extended ride, see what it does, see how it runs, see how it handles, and that sort of thing. Did have a problem with the float on the opposite side, sticking open, needle valve, something. Don't know why. Wrapped it with a hammer or a screwdriver handle a couple times and nothing. Took the cover off, drained the gas out, looked fine, put it back together, it's worked since, so I don't know. I don't think anything else went amiss with it. I can tell you that the speedometer and odometer both work, so we're going to go with the theory that this is actually only got about 3,000 miles on it, which is a nice thing. So without further blathering, we will go on to the road riding portion, and you'll see exactly what happens, and then I'll come back and talk to you at the end. Stand by. Well, that's not helpful. We're in gear. What the heck? Alright, let's try this again. Oh, come on. I don't understand what's going on here. Oh, we were in second gear. That could explain it. Brake on the left, brake on the left. That brake's really good.
second gear. Yeah, the back brake's really good. Front brakes, okay. Not sure why that's happening. Come on. Do you have the idle set to though? Pretty nice. Got some vibration through the handlebars. Front suspension's a bit stiff. Or it may be because my oil hasn't found its way down through the valving yet. Yeah, not having a rearview mirror is kind of a pain in the ass. Some thrust. The clutch slipping. Can't quite tell. I think you notice it in the lower gears. Handle's very nice. Very light. It's 420 pounds? It's low 400s. Yeah, it might be slipping a little bit. Much vibration through the pegs, really. Most of it's in the handlebars. And it's not terrible, but it's noticeable. Partial finder works. Yeah, something I think I might have to futz with that idle a bit. And now it seems to be fine. Yeah, see, it doesn't like that. Whoa, didn't like that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. And we have silence. What the heck was that all about? No, what the?
Well, wasn't that cool? Except it wasn't. I had to go get the truck, load it up, bring it home, and here it is, back in the same spot it's been in for months. So I don't know exactly what went wrong yet. That was on Easter Sunday morning, and had to do the family thing the rest of the day, so I didn't get a chance to look at it yet. It seems like it's ignition and not fuel from the way it quit. And I have a sneaking suspicion it might be something related to the timing. Possibly that something in here has come apart again. Maybe the tensioner didn't stay. I don't know. So I'll be doing some tests on that, see if I can figure it out without tearing anything apart. But we may have to go to the timing case side again and see what's going on. But that's my instinct anyway. I can be completely wrong. I've been wrong on other things, like the clutch that we won't talk about, because that was mostly my problem up here, not the bike itself. So anyway, that's where we are. Just a short video to bring you up to speed, but it did run and ride. It was pretty nice, actually. I'm looking forward to getting into the functions again. So anyway, that's where we are right now. So more to come. Thanks for watching.